hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Hotter.
Yeah, so we do have a Fort Augusta, the correctional center for women, you know. This is what them call the side cells. So you know it go. So dog, gonna sell this. When the woman them not behave themselves, dog, them just
Look on the wall, sir. My time with your phone touch with them.
the phone not touch your dog. Somebody dead in
Can I cross them leg?
listen to that, so you want to come up before me. Yo, come like, I want to get them not behave themselves.
Yeah, man, right. That's
Them just put them to just stay by themselves, you know, so that, you know.
Solitary confinement.
And chew all two razor go now.
Look at us, sir. Watch for the wall. Them a cross off for days then.
Bumbo, cause a calendar them billion.
Tommy Shimeen. See
Yeah.
that? Cross.
Man, you tell that side sell them somewhere else. Eh? Draw the calendar.
Draw the calendar.
Dog, so you know, say since recently this lockdown, so as them condition girl them go over there and that.
No, man, it used to fix up better than this, man.
Yes, so some of my girl them forgot dog. So I give the man them jacket.
Jaja. You tell
Found
me
dog
you
somewhere else. Want to see bed yesterday and strap them.
Watch it, Brazil. Quality.
see.
Want to go to party yesterday and strap them down
Because
for
this
them.
is the Fort Augusta prison people. You understand? Sure know.
Yo, found another Fort Augusta with the dog. Danny! We are tour out the place. Remember, I don't live over here, dog. Go on, you know the way.
You think that prison is surrounded by water?
you
Yeah, no, Tommy.
Let me say.
Go on in front of dog. I don't know over here.
Big out from the wall, so you know the heart big.
Yeah, dog.
You never do nothing of them fuck her up.
Regular them do the girl them now. Fort Augusta with them, guys.
Big up to them youth, man.
Police catch you over there, problem, innit, no?
First, me I see all them
I
prisoners.
think say no trespassing and look over there. Yo!
Careful, youth, be careful.
Dog, Danny. Yo, Danny, the man stubborn your fuck.
Sorry for the body word people, you understand? They don't know the attacking basket to work.
So what is right there, sir? Oh, this is one of the dam.
Lisa,
Lika, Natibu, Shamaya, Kerrian, Lisa plus Dwight forever. Big up yourself, Dwight.
Road me said.
Marcia plus.
See that? Road me said 2010 to 2012.
Big up friends like Natibu, Lisa, Maya, Pinky, Decca, Natisha loves you all. I will never cut them, put them there on the wall. No, you don't know the girl.
Casey, Champa down.
Evening class, Papi school. Big up stats, IA. Yeah, JV, Xavier McLeod. Julia plus Javi equal one Jackie. True. Blood clot. Julia. You see this? Julia plus Javi equal one Jackie. True.
Club life, freedom, we, Sasha.
What that? Mary versus Shenko. How that man? It's not for the one. Mary versus Shenko. What is that? Mad Ras. Big up Natibu. I go home, good pussy, good fuck. That everybody pissing Natty name on every wall, you know? What that?
Kerrian, big up Maximum, man.
I love you.
Man.
I love man. Who love man like me? Natibu, love man too. Scarlett love Justin. Big up Diamond girls. I love fuck man. Big up Adi Cartel, my man. Mad Ras. Yeah, damn. Yeah, so Papi, amon?
Papi, my husband.
Got you. Papi come from a black, you know. Peter.
Momo, Shanti, Fini.
Lisi, everything. Tour, we are tour out the prison. So Chad, it's a damn tour.
Why? Why them place look scary still, but not like.
Quick. Yeah, dog. Fort Augusta, down 4.
Always think so this person are there on water.
Fresh, what's why I say bed there, them shot down them not bed. What this so we are going dog? They mash up the down. I come like enough girl live over here dog.
What are easy that? Yeah.
Damn them. No going no more damn. No.
Like if them
Natty Boo name there, but who up the down there? Which Natty Boo that?
Natty Boo big.
Ding dong, I artist down this damn nine. Pinky. Ding dong. Blood clown, I look on my toe. Ding dong.
Sorry for the
Come
language.
and see forever. Pop. Might tell you someone going. Congratulate. Some walk around leave.
Some music video for shooting popcorn.
So what a Fort Augusta is stay? My youth. A spirit just say come out and say.
John, no.
You man. You man. Eh? So this over the road past now, white packet now.
Well, them funny still people, but we appreciate them for the David there still, you know? Yeah, man, because never know what's
Blood clot. Chad. Go over the part in that.
Real Jamaican prison. Fort Augusta.
Eh.
Come on, prison.
From cell to cell.
Jaja.
That one of our place, man, in our story.
They must want to complete now, man. This come like the canteen here. This.
Prison life. You're on a female prison.
Kitchen, this, you know. Kitchen here.
I'm just a plate and wash. Some here, you know. Dog, we just want to go over this now so we can go back to the scheme. Chad, you want to stay along the scheme, you know, dog? Can't kill time, brother. Fort Augusta, so them, mama. Fort Augusta. Over there, sir? Watch on the dog. Go back to the spot. Believe mother wants to see that bed there, you know?
Yeah, man.
The bush and them thing over there. Really abandoned and that can't go.
Yo!
Lego some cow over there and some goat.
Yeah, the whole firm of them place, man.
Jano.
Yeah, the whole firm of them place, man.
What that is?
In a cellar room.
Plant room.
Walk through and sell it. Keep brother.
Dog, so the fuck them put the girl in there, suffer? Boom, book, lot of them put on a little piece of passage of your silk, dog.
Yeah, we are sitting on the
You can go front or back, dog.
See that?
Alright.
See tail, see strap them on the table and think like that.
Yeah, you need to feel different, dog.
You like that?
You see my light on.
I see a flashlight, dog.
Jano star.
See tail over there, dog. You man. Tail on the strap. You man.
Oh, them shot them up on the table there.
Dog.
Who that they bro?
Big man, I swear to God.
It's like somebody put on my head.
You see somebody walk up the flower, man.
Ready, come on.
Bombo!
Jano. Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Boy, I don't know, so they attacking boss, they are people, and me are telling you, the Fort Augusta prison. Viewers and subscribers, honestly, I appreciate them youth, you understand. So this video was sent to New Link, you understand. And people, I was going to say, I appreciate the youth them for do this video because I never know say I saw this prison you set up because I always hear say this prison, you understand, their own water and them thing there. That me always hear say the prison like that. In the middle of water, you understand, and I be a crocodile in there, so if the human them try to escape and them jump into the water and them thing there, I be a crocodile like that. You know what I mean? So, me never know, say I saw the things set up viewers and subscribers and, boy, I look away if you see this place just abandoned like that, because I did hear, you know, what I look a report it go out say, yo, the government, them are going to shut it down and thing, but me never know, say it did start already people, the process did gone through everything like that. But when I say, why have these buildings like these people? These are big buildings. Try to use them up to do something else, not just try if you get what me I say, do some refurbishing pan it or something, because me them say Jamaica was short of prison and them something there because prison have too much money night and them something there. So why them not try if you do some refurb? If you don't need a male prison, then if you don't have woman prison, and you know what I mean, do something then if you don't have enough in one prison, but in the end viewers and subscribers. Why? It's not a good look. And females out there, I hope you now see this, you understand, see the condition of a lot of females who decide for the criminal activities, be bad woman, be gangster, you understand, be some dangerous lampile out there. See there, see how we lead to them, you understand, that are the place a lot of them call home for a while, and some people do time this and them still at the time, because when them close down these people, them never release, you understand, a lot of them, so them still in at the time in a prison, different elsewhere, you know what I mean, but all my cancer viewers and subscribers, it's not a good look. As I tell people, prison is not a bed of roses. And remember, you know, people, prison life never nice. You understand? And nothing like paradise. But Mr. Prime Minister, you understand, Minister Security, all our response to them thing there. You know what I mean? We can do something with this place. And me feel grateful for them youth and the people, and I like this thing so we can see it. You know what I mean? Maybe them do it as a fun skit or you know what I mean? Anything where them do with it, and you get me? But in the end, people, it's a good thing so this can go out there and people can see and put awareness out there and let people know that look here, no matter man prison or Jamaica or woman prison, it's no different. People can see it. This ain't no easy place. This was a real harsh place. Fort Augusta. So you don't know the thing of people. The attacking boss, they are New Link from New Link Production. And if you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now. And hit that notification bell so as the attacking boss drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, New Link Production, and on Twitter. And again, big up to them youth people who do this video. And you know what I mean? In the end, New Link broadcast it and share it. So enough respect to them, man. And you don't know people. Attack. The good and the great and the safe out there. And woman, they're getting themselves in a trouble. They're getting themselves in a problem. Don't follow some lampile out there who are lead that woman astray. Be good and be great. And do the right thing. Attack.